Hello, welcome to Ryan's cooking class. This is Ryan.
Level check!
What's your name?
Hello, my name is Yuna.
What's your name?
Level check! My name is Yuno.
And today we're just gonna be baking cookies for everyone and for ourselves. And right now, here's the ingredients. Yeah, these are the ingredients. And yep. And now we're going to go to Wegmans to get all the other ingredients to prepare for the cookies. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Why are you saying is good at homework?
I don't know. We're going to the.
Isn't that pretty? It's like
Yeah,
snow
it's
on the
pretty.
stopwatch.
It's
Or clock tower.
I feel
It's like mini Eiffel Tower.
yeah.
It feels I mean the movie.
Yeah.
There's few people.
Yeah.
여기에서 우리 이거 찍어야 되는 거야?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
cool.
let's do it.
근데 내일도 하는 거 어때요?
I don't know how to make a lot of things.
Arrived at Wegmans.
Guys, what was the plan? Get home by what? Get home by what?
Ingredients list.
This is by
Flour.
3 cups of
Flour.
all-purpose flour.
flour
Let's look around.
and baking soda.
I'm pretty sure there was flour somewhere here, right, guys?
Flour and baking soda.
Flour,
And baking.
sugar, baking soda, and baking powder.
Oh, we have
Let's keep going. Keep looking, okay?
we have
I want you guys to
sugar.
find it.
We have sugar.
White sugar. We need white sugar.
White sugar too. White sugar, baking
Yes,
soda.
sir.
Oh, flour.
Good, good. There's 2 types, but I'll just say this is gonna be better, okay?
Yeah.
But wait. Let's see if there's other sizes. Like smaller ones? Is there anything small?
Smaller. It's a smaller.
No, but it's pastry flour. What do we need? Look, all-purpose flour. So can someone bring one of that? Buy one of that?
Okay. Yeah.
You?
And we find baking soda
And sugar.
and sugar.
And hey, because we don't have
What about baking soda and white sugar?
No. Baking powder. Baking soda or baking powder.
Baking soda. One baking soda. Wait, soda. Teaspoon. It's a teaspoon.
not teaspoon은 그 숟가락 그 2분의 1 숟가락이란 뜻이야. You know? You know? You know?
Wait, no, let him do it. Let him do it. What do we have?
We have baking powder.
So where's the baking powder?
Baking powder is here.
Good. Make sure it doesn't rip.
No. It's
Wait, hold on.
yeah.
Stop.
here. Baking teaspoon. Baking. Which one?
Can you look at other types?
Okay.
I check out baking soda.
Not yet. Okay.
Wait.
Why are we waiting? Yeah, can you help him?
Okay.
$4.49. Please remove the unscanned item. Remember to always scan your item before placing it in the bag.
Okay, you're
Please
good.
continue scanning.
Good.
It's a.
Yeah.
29.
Yeah, and this. Yeah. Yeah. I don't see a barcode.
You can say you can't see.
We buy everything. We buy everything.
Are you gonna take this home? Alright, who wants to pay for it? Okay, now? Nope. Look at this. Well, what do you want to click?
Hey, now.
Good.
Enter phone number, then touch enter. Your total is 34. Please select your
Credit card.
payment method.
Yes, good.
Yeah, this.
Not too hard.
Remove.
Good. 감사합니다.
Wait. We wait. Oh yeah.
Please remember to take your receipt.
Here.
Thank you for shopping at
I
Wegmans.
want you to keep it. He's keeping all the paper. Okay?
Please remove
Hello, welcome back to Ryan's baking class, I guess. Hey everyone. We're back from Wegmans. We got all the ingredients, and I'm gonna introduce ourselves. This is Ryan Lee, the main chef for today. And what's your name?
My name is Yuna Lee.
Yeah, you don't have to.
My name is Lee.
All right, and she's going to be my sous chef, or sous chef, and he's going to be my assistant chef. Okay? Let's go. All right, we're gonna introduce the ingredients here. Can you guys go over the ingredients with us? What is this?
This is cookie paper.
Good. What is this?
Flour.
Good. This.
Chocolate chips.
This.
Salt, butter.
Good. Salted butter. What is this?
Sea salt.
This one.
Baking soda.
Baking powder.
Pure vanilla.
Extract. Good.
White sugar.
Brown sugar.
Good. Thank you. All right, now we're gonna get started. Thank you for your patience, and we'll be right back. Let's go.